Introducing the latest addition to our inventory, the stunning with top-of-the-line features that will elevate your driving experience to a whole new level. This vehicle is loaded with all the bells and whistles you could ever dream of. From the luxurious interior with air conditioning, satellite navigation, and multifunction display, to the cutting-edge safety and security features like ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. You can also enjoy the convenience of cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and power steering while cruising down the road in style. Not only does this car offer unbeatable comfort and style, but it also comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us today or visit our website, michaelmoore.ie, for more information. Treat yourself to the luxury and safety you deserve. You won't be disappointed.